Emerging from a city of lights, a city of entertainment, a city of fashion, a city of art, a city of celebrity, a city of vanity, a city of saints, and a city full of sin. Emerging from that city was not the end, but the beginning of Joshua Gray, the beginning of catapulting greatness.
Into greatness, standing on the peaks of a nation with our wings perched in anticipation, overlooking the cityscape, preparing for our next escape. We want to conquer, we want to succeed, we want to fly, we want to soar, we want to jump, we want to leap. We want to catapult into all greatness. As our eyes pierce one destination, bound to touch an array of generations, our wings prepare to spread out large, accepting our journey out far. Can we conquer? Can we succeed? Can we fly? Can we soar? Can we jump? Can we leap? Can we catapult into all greatness? The wind begins to appear manifest, and the heat of the sun becomes the test. But conquering is our definition, because we can defeat opposition. We will conquer, we will succeed, we will fly, we will soar, we will jump, we will leap, we will catapult into all greatness. Some may say, you really want to conquer? You really want to succeed? You really want to jump into greatness in a day and age like this? That's when you say fact, for we do not only want to, but we shall conquer, we shall succeed, we shall jump, we shall soar, we shall leap, we shall fly, we shall catapult into all